Hi everyone, it's Marco Brown. Are you going to go to court on your divorce? The answer is probably not. Now I'm going to use some statistics from our law office and how we do things, but I think these statistics are probably pretty comparable for a lot of other Utah divorce law firms. So about 85% of the time when we file a divorce case, we never see the inside of a courtroom. It literally never goes to court. What we're doing is putting together the initial financial data. We're strategizing. We're ensuring that our clients are successful, answering their phone calls, answering all of their questions, figuring out which mediator is going to really help them. And we then go into mediation and get the case done there. So that accounts for about 85% of cases, because people realize that they don't really want to go to court and air dirty laundry and do that sort of stuff. We just get into mediation right off the bat. Now that leaves about 15% of cases where we do go to temporary orders. Those are the sorts of cases where people are hiding money, or maybe a husband has drained all the bank accounts and we need to get temporary alimony. We need to figure out who's going to stay in the house. Maybe parents aren't letting the other parent see the kids. We need to figure out child custody and parent time, taxes, all of these things. That's why we go into temporary orders. That happens about 15% of the time. So then there's about 5% of the cases. So that accounts for 100%. There are about 5% of the cases that go to court more than for just temporary orders. So maybe you go on an order to show cause, which is really a motion for contempt, or you go for these other things, but that accounts for maybe 5% of cases. So not very many. And then in the end, you get about 1, maybe 2% of filed divorce cases that ever go to trial. And if you go to trial, you've probably been inside the courtroom 7 to 10 times. But again, that's about 1% of divorces in Utah. So about 85% of the time, you're never going to see the inside of a courtroom during your divorce. If you need help with divorce, let us know. Number is 801-685-9999, or visit us on the web, www.utdivorceattorney.com. Thanks, everyone.